Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. As you can tell, I'm not in my usual location today, and my gear may be a little bit of a giveaway of my big announcement for the channel. So we're really excited to announce we're going to add a whole new type of content. We're going to keep doing the automotive DIYs and track days and all the good things, but we're adding motorcycle DIYs and travel vlogs as well. So I wanted to introduce you to our new BMW. That is a BMW K1600 GTL, which is just perfect for two-up riding. I've ridden for years, but this is also an opportunity to introduce you to my best partner in the whole wide world and my riding buddy right here.
Hello everyone, I am looking forward to riding two-up with the BMW DIY guy as we take part in motorcycle adventures. I would be Adventure Astrid.
So make sure to check her out on Instagram as well. She's gonna have her own series of videos and posts and travel vlogs and food and all the good things. And we look forward to taking you on our adventures as we show you the Pacific Northwest, where there's so many fans from around the world that are not familiar with this beautiful part of the world we live in, and we look forward to sharing it with you. And as our adventures grow, we're also gonna do international travel as well. So we really look forward to it. See you on our next video.